Hello everyone, my name is Fatima. Welcome back to my channel. My channel is about learn and inspire. Today's topic about love. Yes, you heard right. Today's topic is about love. So just enjoy the beautiful journaling. Physiological fact says looking at the person you love can literally reduce physical pain. And today's motivation quote is love is not just in your heart, it's in every cell of your body. Yes, guys, is every cell of our body. Every cell. True love in every cell of our body. You also use this line to say your loved one or use in greeting cards. There are many options to use these lines. Just use this and impress someone who loves you or who you loves him or her, whatever. Just all I want to say that is just spread the love, enjoy the life. If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notification of my new video. Bye bye.